Hey guys, this is Dictionary, and I'm here to give you guys a tour of my house. Come on in. So, I guess my door's locked. Must have forgotten the key. Let me just see if I can get this open. Alright, we're in. Alright, this is my house. These are some of my Christmas decorations. Aren't they pretty? This is the main area. We got our kitchen right here. We got the living room. It's where all the living happens. Some more more Christmas decorations. Can't be too festive, right? Got the family over here. Books. We got books over here. Games. All of our favorite activities. You know, things to pass the time and whatnot. And then you got the kitchen. You got the stove. Got something cooking in the just got a place to put the pot at least. You know, got knives and a scissor too. You know, some 4 oranges. And then of course we got all the good food in here. Oh, eggs. Hell. And the bathroom, of course. Not too big, not too small. This is where all the all the bathroom stuff happens. I got a lot of lotion here, if you know what I mean. My prized possession. And in here, got a whole skateboard collection. Why would I need something like, tools and stuff like that? And then of course, here it is. All my things, all my stuff here. Got all my feminist literature right here. And my degree in Bachelor of Arts, Art Studio Concentration. Oh yeah, getting lots of job offers from that. All my pictures and whatnot. Oh, don't mind that. That's a picture of my brother. I keep that here sometimes. Got the awesome setup and everything. My laptop, all my books, all my figurines. Yes, I know exactly what I like, and I like to collect all kinds of cool stuff and all these beautiful clothes. What the? You in here? Oh. If you're in here, come out. You're not safe here.